Okay class, so it's your favorite boy tech support, and today I will be teaching you about how you can tell whether a graph is a function or not. So let's get straight into it like I did into your mom last night. So okay, so first I'm going to show you the relations in math. So relations are basically the connections between an x value and a y value, also known as input and output. So here are the four types of relations. It's 1 to 1, which means one input to one output. Many to 1, which means many inputs to one output. 1 to many, which is one input to many outputs, and many to many, which are many inputs to many outputs. So I'll just show you on the graph an example with a linear equation, because that's the equation we're going to be using most for chapter 5 as well, and you have a test on it tomorrow. So I'm just using it for the sake of preparation. So here is the function, not a function, not a function, not a function. And sorry, one of my girlfriends is messaging me. Sister will talk to you later. Okay. Message. So as I was saying, the reason why I said this is a function is to confuse you, because this is not a function, and I'll show you why. So first of all, I already showed you that only 1 to 1 and many to 1 are functions, and in this case this has one x value, which means one input, and it's going to many y values, so 1 to many, and that's not a function. But I'll just show you why this is not a function, and I'll just write the linear equation, which is y equal to mx plus b. That's a weird b, sorry, but the m is the slope. So I'm not gonna give a definition of slope, but we know that the slope on a graph is the rise over run, the change in the y values divided by the change in the x values. So I'll just tell you the slope for this equation, and it's this. So we have the change in y values by the change in x values. So I'll just write rise, because we don't know what the rise is, because there is no run, right? That's the first problem with this equation. And the second problem is that since the run is 0, because there is no change in this x value throughout the function, this would mean that the run is 0. And we all know that you cannot divide by 0, because the result of dividing something by 0 would be infinity or undefined. So yeah, it was your favorite boy tech support, and you're done with this video. So